Welcome to Wolver Channel, your guide to creating a custom cryptocurrency token. If you've ever wanted to launch your own cryptocurrency token, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process, from writing the smart contract to deploying it on a blockchain, excluding Solana. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up your development environment. First, open Remix IDE, remix.ethereum.org, a powerful browser-based tool for smart contract development. Navigate to the File Explorer and create a new file named mytoken.sol. Paste your token's smart contract code into this file. Don't have a contract? Message me on Telegram, link here, for pre-written customizable templates. Step 2. Compile your smart contract. Go to the Solidity Compiler tab in Remix. Select the appropriate compiler version for your contract. Click Compile. If there are no errors, you're ready for deployment. Step 3. Deploy your token. Connect your wallet, MetaMask recommended, to Remix. Ensure your wallet is set to the correct network. Adjust deployment settings, token name and symbol, initial supply, gas fees, optimize to avoid overpaying. Confirm the transaction in your wallet and wait for blockchain confirmation. Step 4. Verify and import your token. Once deployed, copy the contract address from Remix's transaction logs. Open your wallet, e.g. MetaMask, click Add Token and paste the address. Your token is now live and visible in your wallet. Important security notes: never share your private keys or seed phrases. Always test on a testnet before using real funds. Double-check contract addresses to avoid scams. Need advanced features? If you want additional functionality such as minting and burning mechanisms, staking and rewards systems, custom security audits, message me on Telegram for personalized assistance. Your journey into cryptocurrency creation starts here. Let's build something great.